Hi guys, I'm back for another video, and today I've got some news. As you can see, this is just a little cage, yeah, that I've opened up. So I've got a few bits that I'm planning on selling. So I'm planning on selling this guy here. This male, and this female here, and then these two females. So yeah, that's the birds I plan to sell. As you can see, there's the flight. Some more on the flight here. The red mosaics are starting to colour more in their molt. So yeah, this is our red factor male, which was separated from the female. So as you can see, all here, these are males in this big cage. And we've got two empty cages there which we've cleaned here, which is good. And the rest of the birds are all good. So yeah, a beautiful yellow mosaic agate female. Guys, and the other male that was separated, their babies both died, so sad. But at least we've got some from them this season. All the males separated. This is our lizard pair. The males there, and the females here, the orange. So yeah guys, bye and thank you for watching.